So we have our equation here, and we want to find the x and y intercepts to use them to graph the line. Let's start by finding the x-intercept of this line. We know that occurs when y equals 0, so let's replace y with 0 and solve for x. Divide both sides by -2 to give us x equals -3, and our x-intercept at -3 is 0. Let's replace our x with 0 and solve for y to find our y-intercept now. 3y equals 6, divide both sides by 3 to give us y equals 2, and our y-intercept at 0, 2. Now with these points, we can plot them onto a graph, -3 and 2, and connect them with a straight line to represent the graph of this line, and finally label the graph.